In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept donations in WordPress websites for free step-by-step tutorial. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. Open the site editor for your homepage so we can place the donation feature exactly where visitors will see it. Once the editor loads, click into the area where you want the donation section to appear. This could be near the top of your homepage, in a sidebar, or above your footer. Now open the block inserter and use the search field to quickly find what we need. Begin typing a relevant keyword to narrow things down, then drill into the available options until you see the donations collection. Choose the donations option to reveal ready-made layouts designed specifically for collecting contributions. Browse the variations, then select the one labeled Accept Donations with Stripe. This gives you a clean, conversion-focused block that works with WordPress.com's built-in Stripe integration, so you can collect payments without extra plugins or hidden costs. If a short guidance pop-up appears, click Got It to continue. With the donation block on the page, click it to reveal its toolbar and settings. This is where you can fine-tune the text, button label, and layout so it matches your site's style and tone. Keep your message simple and specific. Explain what donations support and reassure visitors their payment is secure. Clear wording can boost trust and increase completion rates. Next, open the Payments area from the editor controls. This is your connection point to Stripe. Click the prompt to connect and follow the on-screen steps. WordPress will guide you through a secure Stripe onboarding flow, where you confirm business details and payout information. You don't need to copy keys or paste code. The connection is handled for you. When you return to WordPress, the donation block will be linked to your Stripe account and ready to accept real contributions. Before publishing, take a moment to preview how the section looks on desktop and mobile. Make sure the call to action stands out and that the button is easy to tap on smaller screens. When you're satisfied, click Save in the editor to store your changes, and then click Launch to push the updated homepage live. That's it. Your WordPress site can now accept donations for free using the built-in Stripe integration. If you want to go further later, you can adjust the wording, reposition the block for more visibility, or update your branding without changing the underlying setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new